Is your Snapchat turning into a Snapchat chat because your messages just won't send? Let's get that fixed in under 90 seconds. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data. A weak connection is the #1 culprit for sending fails. If your internet seems fine, head over to your phone settings. On iOS, it's the Settings app. On Android, it's usually a gear icon. Now scroll down and find Apps or Application Manager. Tap on it to open up your installed applications. Next, scroll through this list until you locate Snapchat. Tap on it to access the app settings. Now we are going to clear the cache. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your phone. You'll see options to clear data and clear cache. Just tap on Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your snaps or memories. It just removes temporary files. If clearing the cache doesn't do the trick, it's time to check for an update. Head to the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android and search for Snapchat. If you see an update button, tap it. Older versions of Snapchat can sometimes have glitches that prevent messages from sending. As a last resort, uninstall Snapchat from your device. This will completely remove the app and all of its data. Now reinstall Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store. Reinstalling gives you a fresh version of the app, which can often resolve lingering issues. And that should do it. You're now ready to send those snaps. If you're still having trouble, it might be a temporary Snapchat server issue. So just try again later.